whoever's taking care of them are experiencing a lot of love, the kid will feel loved and then will think they are lovable. Now, if the parents are having a really hard time, and so it's hard for them to experience or express their love, the kids will feel like maybe it's me, that I'm just not lovable. And then that becomes permanently part of how they relate to the world and love, as though it was about them, when it was actually just somebody was having a hard day or a hard life. And so beliefs about love, those are in place usually by age 2 or 3. How much are we worth? Are we good enough? Those beliefs start really young too. And again, kids are using whatever environment they're in as a, am I okay? Is it okay for me? Am I enough? Do I deserve to have a good life? And sometimes parents or teachers, they really want to let a kid know they're enough. But if the parents or teachers don't feel like they're enough, then sometimes kids learn, oh yeah, but we don't deserve too much. The sad thing about our brains is, unlike our phones, our brains are not designed to update themselves. And so once we get these beliefs,
Right.
they tend to run, and they're really hard to change unless you know how. And so this is what I've spent the last 25, 30 years, is helping people to change those. So it's automatically different.
Yeah.
So you don't have to think about it.
Yeah.
It's just, you can start to know that you're safe. You can start to feel that you're loved, even when somebody else is having a hard day, even when they're not in heart-mind coherence, you can feel okay, that you can know you deserve a good life, even if other people are struggling.